me slow-mo. Give me slow-mo. Let's go!
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Guys, the first runner-up of the Bbtitans show, Kanaga Jr., who was standing alongside Kosi before Kosi was pronounced the winner of the Bbtitans show, just marked his birthday. And guys, you won't believe the loads of gifts that just come his way. Kanaga Jr. just received a car as a birthday gift, money cake as a birthday gift, cash as a birthday gift, and a lot more gifts. Guys, this has also got Tassie to fly down to Nigeria to attend and mark his birthday with him. As you may know, the reality TV star clocked 24 years old, today being 24th April 2023. Oh wow, that's nice. Happy birthday to him. Yeah, a happy birthday message is in an order. So guys, you can also go to his Instagram page to wish him a happy birthday. Yeah, in celebration of his birthday, his fans gifted him a lot of gifts. Yes, the popular known Kanaga Force or K Force showered him with gifts. The gift which came to the reality star was received, and a C300 pence was also gifted him, 56 gift boxes, 4.7 million cash, 24 money bouquet, a big money crown, billboard, and more. Isn't that a lot? Yes guys, that is really a lot. And a lot of us graced the occasion, as Tassie was there, Miracle OP was there, a lot of them was there to mark his birthday with him. Happy birthday to Kanaga once again. And guys, in another development, we saw that the rumor that was going around that Kosi has cried to plead with Yemi to forgive him. Guys, also they are still saying that there is no truth to that. Kosi, after leaving the house, has never been in touch with Yemi Chris, as Yemi has not made any effort to reach out to Kosi. Guys, could this be that Yemi is truly angry that Kosi, after he had left, turned around to start frolicking with Tabank? Though, who will not be angry? If you are in Yemi's shoe, you'll be angry because they have already planned a meeting outside the house, and Kosi went ahead to frolic with Tabank. As it is right now, Kosi is not with Tabank, Kosi is not with Yemi, she's just alone. So if she cries to ask for forgiveness, I think that would be in order, because she really needs to ask for forgiveness because she disappointed Yemi Chris. Guys, we'll make this video too long. If you have watched it this time, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe if you have not, and click on that post notification bell so you always get notified each and every time I post a new video. I'll see you guys in another video. Until then, bye bye and thanks for watching.